Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you one top feature which is newly added to AIMOGEN'S Pro, and it is here in the AI content creators menu. Here the new AI Omni Pages feature. So this will allow you to create modern landing pages using AI, and it is really simple to use. Just add your prompt, explain in detail what exactly you want to achieve, select the language, AI model, what post or page type you want to create, the status of the created post or page, and also the renderer. Here only currently Gutenberg is supported, but I will add maybe in the future also Elementor support or other renderers and page builders. So you can select also to include images in the created page, and that's it. It's really simple. So here I added some examples. Let's go and click one. So for example, educational article, environmental technology with GPT 4.1 mini. Let's click generate, and here we can check our pages. Now no page is currently published on my site, and as you can see, the job started and the Omni page is getting generated. So this will take a while to be completed. Until this is completed, I will pause this video to not bore you guys with the entire process, which can take around maybe 5 minutes to complete. So I'll be back. Okay, so the page just got generated. We can go ahead and refresh here to see it appearing, and let's see what we got from the AI this time. It should be, and here it is, the modern landing page with image, also AI generated stuff, and some question and answers, deeper dive, read more, share this article. Note that the links are blanks or are dummy links, so you should replace the URLs with your own valid links. So let's see it also on the front end. Here it is, and it has this landing page structure with images, also these cards, and frequently asked questions, and some call to action buttons. Okay, so let's go and let's do another page. So laptop buyer guide or affiliate review best WordPress SEO plugin. So let's do the SEO plugin and click generate. So note that you can write here anything that you wish. You can do any subject, and the AI will be able to handle it well. So you can use you can create any type of page or landing page or even posts with this feature using the Gutenberg blocks feature, as this will actually use AI agents in the background, and it will fire up some virtual AI agents which will do their work until they finish building the pages that you need. So once again, this will take around 5 minutes to finish, but I will be back soon with results. Okay, so we got our second page. Let's see what we have this time. And here it is, a landing page with tables comparison between Rank Math, Yoast, AIOS SEO, Monster Insights, SEO Press, and some images ready to boost. And you can add your links and clickable stuff. So note that the generated pages need to be verified by you, as there might be errors added by the AI. So keep in mind this. Also, the links need to be edited currently, and you need to add your own links to the content. So be sure to do this, and be sure to check the generated pages before you publish them on your site. But I will be working more on this feature, and I will be adding more cool stuff to it, and the pages will be more complex over time. So yeah, let me know your comments and your ideas on this new feature of AIMOGEN. And as you can see, the menu of this plugin was also reorganized. You can find it in AI Content Creators and AI Omni Pages menu entry here. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.